Arbitrage trading tutorial, and our arbitrage challenge is still on. Target was 1000 USDTs from 100 USDTs. So today it is day 3, trading crypto arbitrage trading, flipping from 100 USDTs to 1000 USDTs in only 4 days. So today we hope to get to 750 with this arbitrage trading, and we are receiving in our internal wallet. Then we make a withdrawal to our external wallet. So that is basically crypto arbitrage trading. And if you want free classes, make sure you click the link in my bio, join Telegram, and you can comment arbitrage trading for free funding. And also you can ask any question about arbitrage trading. I make a separate video for you. So right now you know how to copy your deposit address in Ranquilly. So you just tend to make a deposit just like this. You enter any amount, then you proceed and copy the deposit address. Then you come on P2P arbitrage. Remember, we are selling, so we'll find the best buyer like this one with a rate of 2.01. So you are buying USDTs here on P2P at a rate of 1.0. We can rate it, and you sell it at a double rate. So this 0.1 basically goes to P2P arbitrage fee. So we are receiving in our internal wallet, and you get Ranquilly in your browser. Just go and search ranquilly.com. Then you make sure you verify your email and KYC. After funding, you can start now trading crypto arbitrage trading. Someone might say I go very fast. That's why I tell you you can chat me separately, or you can join my Telegram and learn more about arbitrage trading. So after reaching here, we'll enter amount, and you should consider the minimum amount of every merchant. So some merchants have 1.25, 2.01, 2.23. Those are the rates, but here is where you check the minimum. So I have come to realize that the higher the rate, the more the minimum required for you to trade this arbitrage trading. And you can trade BTC, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade every cryptocurrency. So I think BTC is more profitable, but I do trade USDT. You can go substitute with that. Maybe possibly tomorrow we'll trade BTC, or any other day. Right now I want to make as many tutorials as possible. So we proceed. I will sell with this one, the best I think. The timing is best. Matrix Coin Prime. You can go find the same merchant. If you're trading right now with the rate of 2.41, this is the best I think I've ever made. And the minimum is 473, but I'll do 500 USDTs because I want to make more. So you can see here I'm targeting 1205 in profit. So basically my profits is 705, but as I told you, there is something called P2P fee, and it will deduct as 24.10. So my tech capital will be 1180. So let me make this trade. I'll just paste my Ranquilly address, then I review. This is everything. You can see my capital is 500 USDTs, and market price, this is where I bought in Binance, and P2P rate, it is 2.41. Then gross value, it is 1205. Then after P2P fee deduction, I'll get 1180. So I think today I have explained the best, and there is something called escrow protection. There is no way you can lose your funds. After confirming everything is alright here and okay, you just confirm, and the trade will be running. So let's make our daily 50 withdrawal. Remember, we are targeting 1000 USDTs, growing slowly by slowly, but my Ranquilly has 336,000 USDTs in total. So just come on withdrawal, then I go back on Binance, I check on what? On assets, then I add funds. I want to copy my withdrawal address so that I can withdraw. I click on deposit, then I choose on the cryptocurrency, that is USDT. I choose on network TRC20. I copy my address, then go back to Runquilly. I choose my cryptocurrency I want to withdraw. It is USDT theater. Network is TRC20. Make sure the network is correct, and I'll paste my Binance address, then enter amount 52, bearing in mind that 2 USDTs is transaction fee. Then I review and confirm. Our trade is running, arbitrage trade is running, and also our withdrawal is taking place. So this is simple arbitrage trading. You shouldn't miss right now. Everybody is trading arbitrage trading, and if you have any complication with arbitrage trading, make sure you use runquilly.com. It is easy to use and easy to make profits in arbitrage trading using runquilly.com. So let's wait for some minutes until our profits arrive in our, until the P2P arbitrage is finished, then we release, and also for our withdrawal. So I'll pause the video, we wait for arbitrage to complete. So after waiting for some time, my withdrawal has been approved, and it is ready in my Binance. So let me check my P2P arbitrage. If it has been paid, then I make a release, and yes, it has been paid in just less than 10 minutes. I'll just release my trade first, then I show you the withdrawal. I just come on transaction history and check my P2P arbitrage trade. You can see here profit 1180 minus my capital, you get my profit. So let me go to Binance, then we check on the withdrawal. Now I have 581 USDTs, and you can see the withdrawal has been completed. So this is not an edit. We can refresh, and I show you that everything works perfectly in Runquilly. So start your arbitrage journey today and make at least 50 USDTs in a day with only a capital of 200 USDTs. This one is possible. Imagine if you make 25 per trade, then you trade 5 times a day. That is good profits compared to your local job. So let's start arbitrage now, and let's all be profitable with crypto arbitrage trading.